Good day everyone, my name is Brian G. Amparo. I'm here to present you today a case study belonging to a student from Kamsu Alinhis. This is a Basura reward, a point-based Basura reward system, and this project will be presented to Mr. Manuel Andres Boncher from Carlos Silado Memorial State University in Talisay main campus. This is in partial fulfillment of our end-term project and fundamentals of information. So meet my group mates, Alexis Tupawan, Martin Sabrino, and Ian Dumapi. So for introduction, we have here, according to GETA R. Rajalakshmi, 2020, the solid waste management is not only necessary for maintaining the hygienic environment, but in reducing the probable health hazard. The current study deals with the problems faced by the public due to improper waste management and the behaviors in waste disposal. The improper way of waste disposal can lead to many problems that might face of the present and next generation, including climate change, flood, air, and soil pollution. Therefore, the Basura reward system, which the proposed, the barcoding, scanning point-based incentive system designed to promote the proper way of recycling waste and has a big impact to each individual. For them to know how to segregate and dispose correctly the waste that is harmful to environment as well to our health. The case study, the Basura reward system. This is the system components. Let's start with the barcode scanning via mobile app. Residents can scan recyclable items to earn points, improving traceability and engagement. Echoing Recycle Bank, FIB, enable program in the US and UK, which shows a substantial increase in recycled tonnage. Second is a point-based reward. User redeem points for vouchers or discounts, similar to voucher-based schemes in Hong Kong and Bracknell Forest. So the third one is collection infrastructure. A barcode label bins placed at the barangay waste points, facilitating transparent waste flow tracking. So expected benefits to individual, immediate recognition and rewards for those individuals who participate, proper waste disposal, access to tangible incentives, voucher and discounts. Enhance environmental awareness through app-provided waste impact data. The case study, background of the study, discusses issues of improper waste disposal and proper use of Basura reward in encouraging sustainable practice through a point-based system. So, objectives of this study: design and develop a reward system, rewards mobile app trash collections points, assess a system effectiveness using PSSU, evaluate system quality using ISO 25010. So B.1, hardware requirements: Windows XP or higher, NIF framework 1.1 plus, 4 GB RAM, Pentium or higher processor. Mobile Android OS. Server can be Windows, Linux, Mac OS with MySQL. Input, keyboard or mouse. Output, monitor. And the B.2, software requirements. That will be Windows OS, Microsoft.NET, MySQL, and Android platform for mobile. B.3, processes. Detailed through flowcharts and DFDs, involves scanning barcodes, point plugging, and reward redemptions. B.4, operating system: Windows XP, Windows 7 or Windows 10 PC, or Android's mobile. And B.5, that is database: MySQL, used for storing items, user transactions. And B.6, people: users, residents of the barangay, admin manages system, trash collectors, scans QR codes and assign points. Functional structure model: we have here a use case diagram. I will show you the example of it. So for the use case diagram, Next will be the example. Alright, so for the use case diagram is what you see right now. This is the flowchart. We have here sign up, login, approve user, scan QR code, the arrow, it will dictate where the code will go. So sign up, barangay, yeah, something like that. So for the ERD, we have here an example for the ERD. The meaning is entity relationship diagram. So as what you can see right now, this is an ERD. Alright, let's go next. That is the DFD or data flow diagram. So for the data flow diagram, what we have here is this flow diagram. That's what you can see. Alright, so just take a close look because that's what you get in the data flow diagram. So let's go next to context diagram. This is the example of the context diagram. Alright, so yes, this is a context diagram. That's what you can see right now. Basura point-based Basura reward system. So next will be operational framework. So for the operational framework, we have here. So this is the study or the operational framework. This is how the system works. Alright, so let's go next. Information steps and flowcharts. Illustrated in use case and DFD with details about scanning, assigning points, viewing and redeeming rewards. Manual of operation. User's manual includes logging in, dashboard, mobile use, QR scan, reward redemption, and account creation. So gaps and problems. The challenges in current waste management is improper disposal, low recycling participation, system limitation, and that is only barcode scannable, recyclable items, need for incentives programs to improve waste segregation and community involvement. So recommendation, usability, testing, performance optimization, improve security feedback, mechanism for iterative improvements, scalability, planning, strategic partnership, agility in adapting it to a new needs. So alright, that is all for the case study this is all for the research that we researched. So thank you everyone. My name is Brian from BSIS 1C from Carlos Hilado State Memorial University in Talisay campus. Thank you.